Alright everybody, welcome back to Ratchet and Clank Rift Apart. When last left off, the other Lombax stole Clank. He's been kidnapped. So now we are Ratchet, trying to maneuver the city to find our friend. We got this handy dandy map to find things.
What are these cracks in the sky?
Always like exploring every little area to see if there's any secrets. Which means these games can take a while.
Please let there be good news behind here.
Yeah.
Welcome to the nefarious city bazaar. Please remember to thank our marvelous emperor before, during, and
Like I said, I
after
definitely
making
think
your
this
purchase.
guy is gonna single-handedly
Emperor?
ruin the Empire.
Does that mean there are two Nefariouses now? Clank first, Nefarious later. Maybe he's in this bazaar.
Ooh, that looks like a secret. Oh, I can't do that. Well, maybe I can. Where am I at? There we go. Oh, can I not attach to that? Okay, maybe that's like a later area. Okay, we tried it, that's fine.
Hey, Lombax!
Hello, mother.
Wait a second.
You forgot your order? Well, come right in. Miss Zircon will sell you weapons, but you gotta be less conspicuous, or the resistance will not last.
The Resistance?
Oh, apologies, sugar. Miss Zircon is still new to all of this espionage.
It's interesting. There he is! It's our boy that's been kidnapped.
No. I need to go after that ship. How can I get off planet?
It's a test. Only royal starships are allowed to leave. Anything else?
Oh,
Phantom can help. Just follow the beat to Club Nefarious and you will find him.
Club Nefarious, got it. Oh, and nice work, Secret Agent Zircon.
This is so exciting.
What's Club Nefarious
I
gonna
want to get
sound
my
like?
order. Let me steal the order from them. How do I do this?
How you been, darling?
How do I? There we go.
You want to bring a party to every fight?
Mr. Fungi.
is the weapon for you.
Sounds like a glove weapon.
Who has destroyed little Zircon's enemies and performed at his last birthday party.
Oh, it's like a little turret.
Mr.
That's cool.
Looks like you got enough of
3,000.
that beauty.
Oh wow, that looks expensive. May last a while. We'll go with Mr. Fungi.
Glad
do
to
like-
be of service.
I do like having weapons
keep
like
looking.
that.
The sooner I find...
So let's see, what are these? It's like a little crystal, and there's a crystal back there. What's this?
Club Nefarious and this Phantom, the sooner I can get to Clank.
Something up top.
Thank you for shopping.
Okay, now I want to throw my key. Okay, I cannot enter that. Oh, I guess this it's gonna be like a puzzle
We
then.
have an Emperor Nefarious tribute statuette in every room.
Ooh, hello. There's one of those crystal things. Raritanium. Okay, so why couldn't I use my boots on the other thing?
Nefarious is not a bear, but a resistant spy bot is, if that is what you are looking for.
A spy bot?
Assistant spy bot? Sounds useful. Could be worth a look.
Where's it at? Okay.
To better serve you, Emperor Nefarious collects
Which I'm guessing it's gonna be, yeah, that. The secondary objective, okay. Where am I going? Why am I blind? So there's a thing right here. Let's run it up here. So it's taking up Single Factory. Let's go see what the spy bot's about. We're at the Ferris station. Oh. Let's switch to the first pistol. Yeah, Mr. Fun Guy, good job. Oh. Good job, Mr. Fun Guy. Alright, we got a rift. Health.
Eradicated? I
Oh.
better head to the loading platform fast.
There we go. Rift. I guess we are still just exploring this factory.
We got a million Emperor Nefarious commemorative statuettes to ship out tonight, plus Raritanium shipment to find.
Yes, sir, I hear you.
Absolutely.
Alright. Oh boy. So we've got a lot of things.
Looks like it.
Figure out. I assume that was the whole point of that. I don't know if there's anything else in there. Alright. There it is. That's something. It's a golden screw.
Almost missed this one.
Alright. Golden bolts. But where's the secret spy thingy? Over there. Okay.
Excuse me, but resistance is not permitted.
Yeah.
This spy bot must have Omega level secrets inside of it or something if everyone's going after it.
I bet you it's going to have next to nothing in it.
The loading platform must be just ahead.
mandatory 8-hour shift policy.
Alright. Oh, can I not jump and grab on? Ooh. Would've been bad. Alright. There we go.
I don't think I have anything that can get me over there.
Aww. Wait, are you telling me I came all this way and I can't even do it? No, surely not. No, it's okay. Those are just optional crystals.
The Emperor requires your cooperation.
Yeah. Got. Wait, isn't this just... Maybe it's it's not. I hope it's not. I didn't just jump down here for no reason. Oh. I keep trying to press for a dodge button.
Spybot is here. Eliminate all trespassers with appropriate.
Yeah, this is a lot of heavy duty defenses for a spy bot. But I kind of suspect there's not going to be anything worth anything in it. Oh wow. I don't think this is going to benefit from a dodge button.
This squishy is ours.
Aside from just jumping.
That spybot's mine.
Alright, where is the spy bot? Oh, right here.
Whoa.
Alright. Got us a spy bot. Okay, so it's kind of worth going for him. Okay. Let's see. There's another.
I'm on my way, Clank. I just need to find
thingy.
this phantom guy.
One of these little
First.
crystals. Hello, shop, sir. Oh. Okay.
Club Nefarious.
Thank you, sir.
Club
You don't
Nefarious.
sell anything else. Can you
Where's
sell?
Club Nefarious?
No. That's just gonna be a crystal I cannot get to. That was like a ramp. That was a gold screw up there. Wow, I must be blind. Okay. Okay, not worth it, I guess. Sounds like there was a portal I could go to.
More cracks in the dimension. Huh. Now I know what happened to the
A
parade.
pocket
floats.
dimension. A little puzzle area.
Miss you, buddy.
We must go on there.
Oh, come on. Gotcha. Oh, that's a nice little achievement for that. Oh, that should have hit. Off the ledge he goes. Alright, what is this?
Well, look at that. Yeah.
Is this gonna be a skin?
And I think that covers everything
It's a
here.
piece of armor.
Nice.
Equip armor. Okay. Oh, I own all of these already? How do I already have all of these? Okay, I'm so confused. Why do I have all of this? That's very interesting. Okay, well I'm definitely gonna be. Oh, this is like Bumblebee. I guess maybe they just did that for the PC port, I guess. Oh, and I can change the color scheme. That's cool. Let's go with that. We'll do the same thing on the other parts. Whoops. Yeah, we're gonna go with that. I like that. Alright. Got us a new costume. Oh, I'm supposed to go back down there? I assume so. Yeah, I guess it's my arrow. So that's not a collectible. I thought that'd be a collectible. Alright. Alright, well that was worth it. Apparently I had all these cosmetics I could use. Anything else on this map? No. Looks like that's my like in game, so we'll just go into the club. Club Nefarious. We're not gonna be allowed in here. Oh, we are being allowed in here. Okay. Kinda surprised.
Hi, yeah, are you the Phantom?
Oh, that's cool. It's got a little effect like you're speaking with the helmet on.
Is there a Phantom around here?
Only a dancing machine.
Can I go through here? No. Probably have to jump up through here maybe. Oh god, if there's someone for me to talk to. Oh, here we go.
Resistance alert!
Oh, the resistance alert.
Can't believe. First mission in forever and my cover's blown.
Oh, that's cool. It pulled the helmet off.
Phantom? Is Skid?
Okay, I don't remember that. I don't remember this character from the other game. Granted, it's been several years since I played
Better
that.
take care of these guys or they'll go after Phantom too. That had to be Phantom, right? Mysterious dude in a hollow guy? That had to be Phantom.
Hello.
Phantom, wait!
Who are you? I was just in the middle of a mission.
I'm Ratchet. I heard you were...
No name. You gotta be smarter than that if you want to join the
Okay.
resistance, new guy.
Why does everyone think I'm with the Resistance?
Oh, okay.
The resistance.
Oh.
Oh god. Can I jump on that? No, I cannot. I cannot do that either. Am I supposed to kill everything? Probably. That makes sense. Good combo, good combo. Boom, boom. Got. Oh, come on. That's just rude. Oh yeah, lost ammo there. Let's go.
There has to be something around here I can use to reach Phantom.
There we go.
Will you please stop running?
Here we go. Here's a
Some kind of
crystal.
test. It is, isn't it?
Now it's just
Hey,
telling me to double
wait.
jump.
Hey, wait.
There he is. The football from the club.
Oh boy. I'll handle this, Phantom. You just get to safety.
Bop. probably a worse enemy coming. No. Honestly, the burst pistol is good enough on its own. It's very bland, but I wonder if it gets upgraded, it becomes a monster later. I kind of do like that trend where if you stick with a beginner gun, it becomes completely unstoppable by the end.
Nice work, new guy.
Thanks. What is this? Some kind of secret handshake?
Sneaky,
Hey!
sneaky. Oh, what's
What do I
that?
do with it?
Is this a Magalo? Oh, okay, that's like I can get through that first area with that.
Guy, try out your phantom dash.
Oh, yes, yes, a dodge. This is what we needed. We needed this. We so desperately needed a dodge button.
Jump and phantom dash. The glove handles the rest. Don't be scared. Use the glove to run along those panels.
Oh yeah,
You want to go
this
even
is what we
further?
needed.
Jump and phantom dash.
Oh, that was close.
I need a royal starship to find my friend. I heard you know where to get one.
Can I dash to this door? Oh, look at this sneaky, sneaky crystal. Raritarium.
Can you get a royal starship or not?
Lombaxes. You are just as stubborn as she is.
Wait, you know that other Lombax? Where did she go?
Sargasso. She always goes there after a mission.
Sargasso.
That's still so cool. They'll take the helmet off like that,
I'll make you
so
a
you can
deal.
still see the
You
face.
see that blimp? You help me take control of it, and I'll help you get into Nefarious Tower. It's the only place in the city you're gonna find a royal starship.
What's so special about the blimp?
Just find a way up to that rooftop. I gotta grab my gear. But I'll meet you up there.
Rooftop. How do I get to that rooftop?
Very
I'm
carefully.
coming, Clank. Just hang on.
We will not tolerate.
I do wonder if there's gonna be some enemies that can like EMP me. Alright, so I'm back at the main. Okay, now we're still just going for it. This looks like a secret thing. Or I was actually supposed to be a secret. Oh, that's a bomb. Oops. Well, what did I miss? Oh, that was just a different way to go. I see. Oh, there's my ride. Sure. Yeah, I'm not gonna do a crazy thing here.
Hold on, honey. Are you headed to the roof? You should use that raritanium in your pockets to upgrade your arsenal first.
I can upgrade my arsenal with it.
Let me know when you find something you like.
Improve everything, okay. Tutorializer. Increase the max, okay.
Oh, you are getting it.
All upgrades. Get the
Upgrading your
gold.
loadout is not hard, as long as you've got the raritanium.
Do you want me to do it now? I guess so. Oh, I can't change selected. That sucks. Rapid fire shots are more accurate.
See? Why settle for a good weapon when you can make it magnificent?
Oh, there's a lot for the burst pistol. I think I'm gonna go with the. We're gonna upgrade this thing. That's just a thing. Hits to the head do bonus damage. Definitely want more ammo. Yeah, that's what I want to. I want to. Oh, I see.
Always worth the cost
Gotcha.
to keep your weapons in tip-top shape.
Okay, max ammo, rate of fire, increase. Okay, we're gonna go with increase accuracy. Increase ammo. Is there an increase damage? There's not. But I think a rapid fire shot's more accurate. It's gonna be our big thing here. Increase the ammo size. Rapid's more accurate. Okay, we'll just do that for now.
Thanks again for the help, Secret Agent Zircon.
So how we feel about that?
And Miss Zircon was never here.
Oh god, that almost killed me. That would not have been good.
So you made it after all. Impressive.
Wait, you can see me? Where are you? You got my starship ready?
This is a pretty
You'll
cool
get it,
skin.
don't you worry. I just need you to help me with one last threat. The Nefarious Day Spa. If you can distract these troopers, I'll hack Nefarious's propaganda blimp and give this city a message it'll never forget.
The propaganda blimp.
Looks easy enough.
Is this gonna kill me? Yep.
Soon we will weed out the resistance once and for all.
Yep, there it is, the dodge. That's how I was gonna use it anyway. We needed that. Yeah, being on the Central Island is probably not a great idea,
First they come for our local music scene.
but we'll see.
Now our swans. Across the pistol squishies.
Yeah, we're gonna go back over here. I don't like sitting over there. Alright. Oh, they're like predicting where I'm going. Try not to hit the civilians. Oops, I don't want to hit roll. Y'all are actually safe. Alright. Alright, let's use some of our other stuff. Mr. Fungi. And Shatter Bomb. Level up. Yeah. Oh yeah, homeboys are right there. I just realized that.
Finally! The various tower, here I come.
Oh, I hope I got that ammo.
Wow, where'd you learn how to do?
Oh?
Looks like I touched a nerve. All right, deal's a deal. That's Glitch. She'll help you get onto the Emperor's private shuttle to the tower. Access console's in that huge statue of Nefarious in the center of the city. Just hook her up, and she'll handle the rest.
What are you doing?
tearing this whole rotten world down.
So is he like
from
a
the
lizard?
inside.
Oh, there he goes.
Stay strong, brother.
Okay, interesting.
How do you expect me to get to the bazaar from here?
Can I crank that? I guess not. Oh, here we go. Never mind, that's not what I'm supposed to do. I thought I was supposed to crank this. Okay, why didn't it let me crank it earlier? Oh, that's strange. I definitely had no button prompt earlier.
Alright, all I gotta do now, whoa, this is fast, is head to the statue, use glitch, get a starship, and then find Clank on Sargasso. I'm on my way, buddy. Just hang in there for a little bit longer.
Is this the starting? It is the starting area. So I can get some more of the raritarium.
Hey, Fuzzy.
But I really, do I really want to go back through the factory right now? Not entirely. I will go do this one though, because this one's really easy. We got lots of stuff in here. Blow that. Then I'll go up here and grab this. Was it this one? Yeah, I guess there it is right there.
Now, where's that statue again?
Nice. Aha, and another gold screw. All right. I'm curious, what do the golden screws do for me? If anything. Crystal. Oh yeah, crystal through here, I guess. Oh, no, I'm guessing the statue. No, the statue's not this way. Statue's down here. Or the crystals down here. Oh, is it hiding away back here in the corner? Oh, there's one right there. I can phase through the fence. Bet you I can probably phase through that. I will say on the one hand it's nice that it's marked on the map. But on the other hand, I think it makes it a little too easy to get all of these collectibles. About that, I don't want to run through all that again. Let's go back through here. Yeah, there's a bunch of crystals in there, but it's like I don't really need to grab that right now. Oh. That was interesting. So this crystal is by Zircon, but where? It's not up top. Where's it at? Literally right there. Okay. Alright, so I'm gonna just go for the statue. Oh. That's fine, we got something for that.
Aha!
New
That
enemy?
has to be the access console.
Oh no, there's crazy. Oh, nope, here's the new enemy.
Line is against the law.
Boss fight?
Where did you even come from?
This will singe your fur.
Oh, I probably should have dodged. Here we go. Let's see, let's get Mr. Fungi out here. And we'll put some shatter bombs.
You will not stop the Emperor's vision.
What the?
Oh? A rift?
Oh, wow.
Oh.
Oh, no.
I am glad to see you have survived the journey. Now die. Oh.
Dodge.
You have nowhere to run.
Yeah.
Not again.
Oh, rifting again. No, I needed that ammo.
At least it was a round trip. Come on.
I am trying to destroy you as fast as I can.
Well, chill out. It's getting unstable. Got it. Oh,
There. Now I can finally plug Glitch into
not
this
the
access
dinosaurs.
console.
Alright. Let's grab breakables. And let's get this console going.
Yeah, hi. You must be Glitch. I'm Ratchet. Sorry for all the jostling around earlier. Things aren't exactly going well, and... Actually, I think you're the only one who can help me right now.
Look at that. Uh-oh. Is it a hacking minigame? It is!
Seems like a nice guy. I
Got
probably just have to delete
guns.
some files, and then he'll be all set.
Alright. That's what's up.
There are viruses here? I don't have the training for this. Electro guns, please don't kill me now. The infection is starting to clear. Good.
Oh, nice.
I guess I can try to take out the rest now. Huh.
Bomb.
What's with the capsule? Did a virus make that?
Bomb. Alright. Yup. Get 'em. I like this.
I did it! Oh, man! I really... Wow! Anyway,
Good job, robot.
looks like the computer is back online.
Oh, I guess your name is Glitch. Good job, Glitch. There we go.
You did it, Glitch!
Yeah, party time.
Welcome back, your most majestic majesty.
Here we go.
Oh. Oh boy.
Death traps, warbombs, 5-planet destroying cannons, and a surveillance state covering the entire
Oh
city.
boy.
If only that blasted Dimensionator still worked.
Clank.
Huh?
Hmm. Better find a ship and run.
After him! No!
There it is, our ship.
Damn it, Clank.
About to get a space flight fighting mini game.
Oh, no, 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 no!
Welcome, oh master of us all.
Oh God.
Password, please.
Huh? Why do I need a password? I'm the Emperor. How about I obliterate you instead? Ha 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 ha!
What a great password.
Bring me that lumber!
And we're off. Into space. Sargasso. Oh, a Star Wars transition.
Then
Okay.
This Dimensionator was stolen by Dr. Nefarious, who used it to bring you here? Now you just have to find your friend, who is also miraculously a Lombax, to save the day.
And get home.
You must seriously think I'm an idiot. Look, as real as I'm sure this Dr. Nefarious is, this has the Emperor written all over it.
I wonder if the Emperor has to be more smart than
Mort?
Dr. Nefarious.
What's going on?
Oh dear.
Brace for impact!
Oh. Look out.
What do you think I'm
no.
doing? Ah!
Alright. Well, this is a new
Where
planet,
are you taking me?
so I think
I
this will be a
was gonna
good
take you to my
stopping
hideout,
spot.
But first, I gotta rescue my friends at their gelatonium factory.
Alright, well thank you for watching. Hope you tune in for the next part where we will explore what looks to be the dinosaur planet. I hope you will check it out.